Won't you say my money? I want to hear my wife I sing. My wife I sing. Her voice pretty as fuck. Wanna not hear her though. Your voice pretty, dog. Sing loud with me here. Fuck. Hey, don't close this door. It's your pretty ass voice. Hi, baby. I love it when you sing. I love you. Yeah, baby, your tea is right here. So good morning, people. But I still try to sneak me could hear my wife sing because her voice is so lovely. Every morning when she wake up and she do her house chores, you hear her sing for me and then she prettier. Just listen, because I know me she talk. And for your information, I stop calling you baby because I call your wife. That me I tell you. Oh, go on. I say I could reason about it. Look at man there over Miami here. Him man say bake so you see? Bumbo clap. The man say, hey, I make sure I lift up the Glock. Feel me? And I start make it. First, before I start to bake it, I'm gonna tell you how I start the baking. See, in my bed, asleep. I jump out. I was like, the door was violently grabbed open. AK in my nose. So I swing the AK outside, fast reaction. Then I put the Glock in him chest. And I start to bake it in him chest. Just I bake it. You understand what I deal with? Violently grab open. You understand? Tell me where the man really come about. Because they do it, hey. And Liberty City you come from, you know, Brogan. You there, Liberty. Before me go into that, Safari, I look for you. Safari, I look for you, bake it. Hey, nobody can tell me how to bake it to call a man right now. You see me? AK in my nose. Yo, one time you see it on Facebook, me have a But my reason. And they say, man, living on. I host that this a Liberty City. Let me tell you how in a Florida you work. Anywhere you live. All you have to do is get your van, go park up at somebody's yard or go park up somewhere. You see, bro? I'm on a house, then come for robbing. You don't see the AC in my back. You don't see the big blood clot AC unit, the window unit when they in my back. I'm on blood clot chuck him and say pitney and the woman asleep. Bake it say, when you bake it say, him in his sleep. Bake it, you know. Bake it in his sleep. Bake it so one time, me feel say a crack, bake it sell, you know. Bake it sell either crack, because him look like he used to him use. Him look, right, babes? Man, your voice is sexy, babes. Man, yeah. Liberty City niggas and love it crack, not true? From you look and round the man mouth rim, you guys white your fuck. I mean, I tell you, say, hungry not kill him, man, a foreign with it. You see me, I did a foreign with it. Hungry hardly kill people, like I say. You see, people got food stamp and everything, like, you people sell little and not get like a food, I see. Me see when you look around the man, the mouth corner there, you know, and the man I say, yo, you know, my nose, well, that's so white, you know, like so, you know, white, be white. I mean, I say, yo, you know, so I want crack at this. The man sells himself rocks. That's what they call it in America. They sell rocks. You see that man the way you see this, sir? He come from Liberty. You said me go Liberty City. I saw me one hand part for me blood clot houses front, you know, me feel the more rob and kill me down at Liberty City. Me no walk down at them the place. Me go bake it. You can't say bake it live down a long time. Bake it live down a blood clot Liberty City. Long pussy clot time, bake it. When you look on the man mouth corner, me know a crackhead when me see crackhead. Don't tell me nothing about crackhead. I tell me about people who burn rocks. Me know rocks people. This a foreign. Rocks people pass here heavy go where you go. You know see man win the unit. The man just easy and I'm chucky man the woman asleep or the man yard that. Me can't blood clot go down a Liberty. Me? Over town? Like a Yeti, Liberty City, you got me fucked up. I don't even like go Opalaka. I don't even like go blood clot Opalaka. Me say when time you see from me see me say you know say that brother you on rocks. Him dey on rocks. Him dey on the rocks quote. And that's why they go for go rob him because at this so they come buy the rocks at the time. So AK man now, I say blood clot. Bake it asleep, you know. Bake it asleep. Me know say have enough rocks in there. You see me I deal with blood clot. So when the man push in the K, you think him just a push in the K? If you go take off bake it, wash over blood clot, gold them, whatever. Come on, a flea market gold them there. Relax. Flea market gold. A Liberty City you come from, me no bake it. Bake it. You come from blood clot Liberty City. You down there so the whole of the flea then there. Ask my wife. When you talk about USA flea, down there. Right, God kill me. You see biggest flea market? Down a blood clot Liberty City, the US flea. I swear. One time I go down there. Be rocks. The boy them down the bun. I mean say, look there. It's a yard man this, you know. Rocks. In my bun, you know. Eh? Me say me blood clot. When time me realize now. Here bake it now. The boy them realize. Say I'm a gold them and red. My youth fuck your flea market gold. Me can't go in a flea market right now and come out look like Rick Ross, bro God. For less than 2 bills, less than 3 bills, less than 150. You see me a deal? Go in a flea right now. They up them price already? Dang, boy. Shit. Well, but it's been a minute I've been to the flea. For real? I said the flea start get bad. $800 in a flea? In a flea? Gee. Fort Lauderdale flea market ratchet as fuck.
Exactly. So imagine USA.
Oh my God.
Remember they knocked down USA. I mean Liberty.
Liberty City. Other one them here. You know say biggest one. Nigga. Hey.
They upstairs and downstairs now.
I lie.
You ain't been.
Oh no. Yeah, I know that. I was down there the other day. I go down there the other day. See, you know, so one time I did go in there. I don't know what me did need, but me ended up go buy one fucking one tablet in there for fucking Dan. Me blood clot. His tablet I worse blood clot tablet. So me I try carry it back now to a foreign. When me look, babes, the woman tell me say me can't carry it. Me say, woman, me have me fucking receipt. Don't tell me say me can't carry it back because the boy don't want this. The fucking babes. And you see it? Uno see how which bar bumbuckler bake it live right against the flea market. Uno don't know, but I'm telling you now. Liberty City flea market, right down there. You see when we go in a Liberty, Bumbuckler bacon. Let me tell them where you get. You see the Liberty City Blood Clot Flea Market and down there, so you get the whole eye bling. You see me I deal with the whole of the operation. It's up on your fucking hand. I'm not a joke. Bake it, live right down a Blood Clot Liberty City where you don't know it's a little and nothing you bling out for. You see me I deal with babes, I 8 bills, you know, 9 bills. If you want cheat, in I flee.
I mean, they probably have cheaper, but they have some that's 200 and up. I don't think they have nothing.
Bumbuckler, if flee are going wicked. In I flee there. Kiss me pussy clot. I'm going to say bake it have all gun permit, you know, babes. You see it?
Apparently, if people bust like that and get on the news and talk about it,
Yeah.
you got to have a permit.
But that's not even the best part. Why bake it have gun permit and not a house?
Exactly.
And not a house.
He must have had a house before.
Couldn't, because you can't see say blood clot window unit in our back then.
He must have took it out of the apartment. He had to get the AC unit.
Bumbuckler. Hey,
But
Mr.
you know what? No, he protected his property, so he probably got it
And
too
house that.
because he lived inside of the. You feel me?
Yeah.
And people know that, so you know.
And I eat this silly rocks them out
That's
there.
one thing about Miami homeless people. You got them fucked up. They gonna protect their shit. I'm a buggy with their shit in it. They
Hey.
gonna protect it.
Hey, bake it, bust me right now. Right now, me just see a nigga post a picture with him and bake it. See bake it there in a Walmart. You see free. Bake it and they want to take picture with bake it. I mean, blood clot deal. Me and a girl comment underneath it and say, what the fuck? Bake it is a new fucking hood celebrity, nigga. Bang, bang, bake it. Jesus Christ. Bake it. Mr. Moore, I mean, say that real life, make you come on the live. Bake it if you never on the live.
Do he got social media? No, he probably don't have.
Hey man, goodly and social. Yo, right now, bake it. Safari, I look for you. Safari say him a buy a new fucking apartment. Him say after him see you bake it like that, him know say you deserve to fucking live in our house. After the man see how you bake it up, after that the boy they will come in a little blood clot whole van. You see it, bake it. Bake it. Me say, if you can slam so much shot in a one blood clot, workless giggy fool boy chest, if you come in here ratting down Molly van to blood clot, you deserve a house. You deserve a house, bro God. You this go link Safari. Go and go link him on the Instagram right now because Safari tell people from yesterday, tell Bake It to reach out. Tell Bake It to call me. Bake It, call me Bake It. Please me, I beg it. Me say one time him man say, yo, one time he rest me and panic gun, you know. And shift it to the side. Me start baking Glock in my chest, you know, man. Me just ram me Glock in my stomach, you know. Me just baking in my stomach and me a slam me, you know. Bake it, hey, bake it. You know, you see that bake it simple as you want to go on there, you know, bake it, and bake things that go on there. All bake things that go on with bake it. Bake it and bake things that go on. Well, I can't go to me and tell you, say, yeah, bake it and then look at things there. Bake it and then bake it. I want it. Bake it. Bake it. Me say, man, turn Pillsbury for your bumbuckler right now, pussy hole. Pussy hole, me turn Pillsbury on your blood clot. Me a go bake it. Me a go bake in your stomach right now. When I bake him, I bake him first two pussy clot time, you know. When me bake him, me say the boy drop a ground, you know, me I tell you, say, what the blood clot, dear, what do you? Hey, my friend. What do you? Hey, bake it. Protect it like an olive fan. Me not ask you. Go and go link blood clot Safari say. Ima make sure you take your blood clot out of that. They thinking blood clot more olive fan there. You don't have to protect yourself with that. Enough to violently open again. That van will never violently open one more time. Certain as dear break. Them ever shut up that before they even try to violently open it because they say yeah slam shot in a not slam. Yeah. Bake shot them in a boy. Yes, my friend. Yes, my oh, hey. Bake it. Tea, we are. Tell the pussy what Yankee them. A tea we are drink a man time with time. Well, we don't know how you are. Bumbuckler bake it. You know, say he's a fucking genius too. How you get the window unit in the back of that truck there? Babes, how that plug in?
What?
The window unit
man. A generator.
BMs can't.
He got to have a generator because he can't run. How the fuck you gonna plug it up to somebody else's shit?
No, engine.
Extension cord? No, I think you gotta have a generator to use that type of stuff. You know, like the they have little generators. They have
the little one,
big ones. Yeah, like they have some for house sizes or
That must make enough noise.
Maybe.
So we sleeping at that in the little generator.
Whatever's comfortable with his shit. He ain't got nowhere to live other than that place, so he gonna make it as suitable as possible.
Alright, no Beckett family they see what going on a yard there. You remember what they used to call Beckett? And then Beckett has said, whoa, you have the whole heap of bling them. This and who does say Beckett living in car now? He name Chuck, one window unit. I saw a foreign. A foreign over there, I bow please. Don't make them hype out because when they come from foreign, in the whole heap of blood clot flea market go them and I tell them say them a live blood clot life of foreign. See, this is where Beckett live. Where Beckett live? Huh? Well, you see where Beckett live? That is not good. I want to talk about Nicky Chromas, but I finna talk about Beckett first. Don't believe them. When they die for and I tell you this, them I make horse head and cow fat. You see me? Nothing no go, sir. Everybody up there suffer the same amount of time. Bake it and take it till you make it. Hey, Beckett never knows how news about him, you know. Beckett, that's why I went down to see news team then come for blood clot interview. No, if you go interview them properly. Because one day, me hear one man at Jamaica on the news, I describe one accident. Oh my God. We will use the Oxford Dictionary from grade blood clot 1 come to straight a grade blood clot 12. Don't know how to put down a proper explanation of a fucking car accident. Me hear the man say one of the car king Papa lick and baptized in another one. I don't know. And now, me know when Beckett family they see this, they must say, then a this a Beckett live? Then a this a blood clot Beckett live? Me not gonna do that. The AK the dark side of the nose. The AK there. That is what, brother, I might be with them, my friend. You see, Pre? Watch out now. So yesterday, Miss Dana come live. Miss Dana come live. Then tell me something. Me can't sell for me like a weed and so I need delivery for me like a ganja. You see me out here? And me, I go look for myself. No, you know. Me I go look for myself. Pretty. Me pretty, I go look for myself and take up my phone, get teeth in blood clot Nicky Chromas. Nicky Chromas, all I get black like a blood clot. Sit there and me keep my weed in and my friend. But what? Mama, a bleaching cream then stop mix. Because you're not a chemist. That is why you get so fucking dark. You're getting blood clot very fucking hash dark. You feel me? I deal with like this. I come out for the top of your fucking ganja spliff here. You see me? When you find the car from what you may take in and I say, oh, the pussy will get so black. Because she tap down. Babes, the chemist can't blood clot. She not have money again. No. On the door tell me say Nicky Chromas don't have money. Because remember say two Nicky Chromas have money, not even the bank don't want to give her a loan.
That's a stupid statement to make.
I'm going to help her be fucking stupid now. Me say two mama have money, not even bank don't want to give her a loan.
That's the only way the bank would give you a loan. If you have money.
With a statement like
if you
that.
don't have money, they won't give you no money.
None at all. And then know say you're a thief, then I give you none. Young and dumb, she young and fuck out and done, man. All I want went on a little bumbo clad pussy done and tap blood clot cell. Una ready for come thief people things and blood clot go on. And then come plug bow out to now cry out the wolf. No, it wasn't me. It was the people that work for me and yo. If somebody in a blood clot Publix lick me with one fucking trolley and me I go sue. You think me I sue this somebody? Publix me a blood clot so because of your company and you a thief and you a make blood clot cake and a switch out. Then did one Miss Dan about blood clot you cause he's a fuck too dirty girl. You're drunk, come on, move! Move out of my face, dirty bleach or thinking blood clot, black and come back, dirty girl. Who the fuck is you, Miss Loom? Boy, every fucking Christmas you thinking Grinch come. Eh? Pussy all over Christmas you try stole. Eh? Every Christmas you come with this. Go look work. If nobody know want your blood clot deliver nothing for them. Me don't know how Mr. Nana reach towards you if you have you blood clot cake. You can't deliver nothing for me. You can't deliver blood clot nothing for me. You can't deliver nothing for me. You dirty thinking blood clot now be a blood clot bleach about your beer cake and a sell. Your blood clot cuticle full of blood clot chrome white and sitting same here them you use and mix up as butter. I use the blood clot chrome right and a grease blood clot pan for make cake. The woman show you cake them on the internet is a disgrace. You can't say in your house make you young cranny. You know your kitchen dirty. You can't say in your kitchen a one dirty place. Your mama never teach you to do that. Your mama workless and dirty like you. You can't say you know no mama because you hate yourself, dirty think bleacher. Go bed. Go bed. You can't tell me say you know bed because enough on a dirty bleacher and claim to stuff in a product reach. You have to steam out on yourself and wrap on yourself in a saran wrap on a bed for 2 days. Go bed, dirty girl. You can't bake no cake give nobody. Move. You think I'm shitty like bumbucklad pit. Dirty girl, I pay a Batman fuck you, no goodie. You understand? Nobody no want a Batman worship or bake no cake, give them dog. I be a shit in your blood clot cake them. I go there, you look a Batman friend, you look a Batman shit water, you use and blood clot greasy cake them girl. Move! Stink and dirty no bumbo clot. Move your bumbo clot teeth in blood clot for you, so girl. You knuckle them blood clot go tell people about cold skill, girl. Move! Move! Thinking girl. Nobody no want a Batman worship or bake no cake give them. Batty water we in there. Shit we in there cause you play up in a blood clot shit goody. That girl with blood clot there around so much Batman and a bumbo clot mingle up and a wrap up in a bed with Batman and a fuck. Batman cannot be a cake give civilized people. Dirty you. Can a blood clot bake no cake and give nice human being for them? You make you and kill you and your blood clot pit to them. What you have in your fucking yard and your Batman friend them. That you need for blood clot do. Mr. Now how you ending up and give this a Batman worship or you for your cake them for bring? Oh yeah, you can come off of my life good. I mean, I'm not chatting with you today. You see, bro? After this, you see me at the end. Oh, rest on start coming so I can ease up off of my life right now too. Because somehow no, all out no. Shit. So the mean to tell me so the one Miss Dana? And Miss Dana still. I hate that. I hate that. Miss Dana, me gonna curse you too. Mr. Dana is a workless big woman. Big man thing. You see all of the things that I see you go on with on the internet from what day, me rate it. Me rate all the way. Yeah, do for Jamaican people, them you help you out to give them food and so and so. But he's a fucking idiot. You understand what I deal with? Miss Dana? Miss Dana, as a woman with your caliber, with a woman of your caliber, why you are the right there so with that the blood clot Batman worshipper there? Eh? A woman of your stability and caliber. with a woman of your stability and caliber. What you do over there so without the thinking blood clot bleach there? You know, remember say she the thief up the whole heap of millions of dollars from Jamaica and take it by bedroom set and roll around, you know. Because me get if you understand all of the people when a blood clot used to nothing, you know. As they make one little money, them buy bedroom set and roll around in night and say me make it in the life. Me make it in the life. Me make it in the life. Miss Donna. Them your people when I used to nothing. Oh, you as a woman, we have that the caliber there. We're well driven by God. I do it that the shitty there. Miss Donna, let me tell you something. Because I see some fool underneath yes, I can tell me about not judging nobody. Look how idiot was said that a while ago. Let me say something to you now, four idiot girl. If you know someone thief last year, you are going to trust the thief this year, well, that are you, goody. Come on from me life, goody, and in a sense, goody. Oh, you can come over my life, though. Good as and make sure you find the darkest place in your mama. I want Sagittarius this. Goody. You need to go find the darkest place in your blood clot mama where your father fuck body and a shit up in her hole. You need to go find your shit up hole mama Sagittarius and go flick off in her. You understand me? Because your sign just start right now, you know. Oh, you was a girl as a Sagittarius girl who believe in a man for your shit in your mouth. For you come for my life, come tell me about how my voice sound. Eh? Come on, go there. You don't make it in the life. You don't make it in the life. You do not make it in the life. Oh, where the blood clot? Right. Right now, what do you look on it? If you see a thief once, why boy, you're not judging. What you mean? Me I can judge you. Eh? How are the blood clot there, man? Eh? Me can't know say one known blood clot thief. One bare face, dirty, workless, bleach out thief. No education. But you are mixed blood clot chemical. You don't no blood clot education, but you are mixed chemical, you know. If you fuck up people's skin, you know. And you, Miss Dana, go trust somebody like that? Right now, me hate Nikki Chroma's voice, me hate her mouth, me hate her face basically. You understand me? You is let me show you how me know say you hate yourself. Here baby. Let me show you how me know you hate yourself. You bleach, you do your body and your breast and your belly. You don't like nothing about yourself. So you have to be a cake, give somebody for name. You will hate for your blood clot self, so you hate. Carry and go suck out your father where you fuck body like dog. Big suck with girl. Come on my life, drunk. Two dirty girl. I'm spitting in your face when I left you. Dirty girl. One to the girl, man, I don't know I love spitting in their face. Oh no, come over here say you know me go spit. Oh no, come over here say you know me go spit in on your face. As you say something, me go spit in your face and shame you. And run you up under your mama. I easiest thing for me to do a spit in your face, bro God. Come on for me live. So you're willing for me spit in your face and shame you if you come on for me live? Okay, girl. Come on, I want to see one more now. Hey, I have a lot of saliva inside of me. I have a lot of fucking saliva in me. I'm pitting on a bumbo clad phone, you see. I wouldn't know if a woman look good. She don't look good, now her blood class shape good. Anytime you see one girl do them, they sitting there to themselves. Them the blood clot people in the light themselves. Me can't do body and breast and bleach out myself and say me love myself. I don't love self that. That I hate self. Me hate how me born. Me body should have been bigger. Me should have browner. You hate yourself. Go and go hate yourself and love the blood clot on our cake sale. Nobody enough here give you no business. Go suck your mama. Yes, ma. My followers them, my fans them. You see what I spit on the drunkard? Just sight it. You see me? You know I hear one. Just sight it. Sight it. You see me? Cause some of them pussy will have to get spit in them face. Who hard for me? You can't hard for me a blood clot. Turn where your phone is. Nobody will fuck with Judy. You know me that go pit. Judy, you know me that go pit in a girl face. Alright, I'm see of it, man. Come still a sing. Oh, bleach. Pussy one me look different from one black somebody there. Answer the lesson me look different from a black somebody, then you can't ask me that. This is my natural complexion. This is my natural complexion. When you see me sell people things and a boots it, don't run in. You hear that? This is my natural blood clot color. Me copper. You see, pre? Me copper color, bro, God. More while me black in here, sir. Brown up here, sir. Black here, sir, too. Brown here, sir. Brown here, sir. And black here, sir. And black here, sir. Low me stigma. You see, pre? Yeah. But me still a sell shell glow. Hello?
You get on my nerves.
When you see me I sell people things, everybody want their business. If you want bleach, bleach. If you want bleach, bleach, I mean, I can continue to sell them for shell glow. Shell glow, pass it back, call them come talk. Sell out the shell glow back then. Come here one day, you ever bleach and look like blood clot milk of magnesia? No, man, me no bleach, me sell cream. But no, patronize me. No, don't blood clot patronize me. Yeah, that me I put on a happy weight, yes. Shell glow, not you grabber, you know that. This is the eye. Boy, I'm not telling a lie more all the time I rub on the help on me. You know what I mean? Not me, but the people them. Me no bleach. Cause the eye is still full. If me didn't use it, it would have moved. That is the aisle. This is the body cream. Still not use it cause me no bleach. You see me I deal with? This are the body cream. But still me not tell no lie yet. Somebody will use it, tell me say. After 3 days, sweet. You understand me? Yeah. This thinking Nicky Chromas. You need this. This is shell glow. This is for your dirty knuckles them. Cause for your knuckle cream now go nowhere. And shell glow, she got the blood clot knuckle cream. Remember, mama $98 for the whole blood clot bag. And this is the face blood clot cream in a 3 days. You come and ask Christ. Suck your mama if you don't buy none from me, if you buy from me. Me know you're gonna get cold. You want the summer look good for you? Alright, start from now. Foreign, I yes so we there, my friend. Watch it pre now. You see this a month you will come up when you in December, my friend. I yes say you start rub on the cream, my friend. By Easter, my friend, your bumper clock look like Easter bunny, my friend. White, I mean pearly white, my friend. Me not ask you, $98 make you rich. Nah ask you, me not preach, but me I tell you say if you want reach, see product in your youth. Fire upon the bleaching, but right now me I promote this guy to pay me. I sell them a blood. Yes, we ship. We ship God, Jamaica, China, blood clot, England, Pakistan, if you did it, we did it too. You know it go. We have this site. I remember telling you this, you know, go on, but we site on your order and there like his blood clot Amazon. We send another things and I want to get all blood clot free things in the bag them. Remember telling you $98 I couldn't reach and I go stop blood clot preach. You want to know Nicky Gromers, I never did have a self-bleaching cream, you know. Me never have a self-bleaching cream that you think it, girl. Because me like beard. Me realize that when me did start this bleaching cream thing, the cream them nah touch me good goody. Because me have to bathe twice a day. You understand how I deal with goods? You know, that's a statement how you look. Your sister is not a regular person who takes showers. With Shell Glow, you can bathe. You understand me? Rub on it for your kid after you done shower. You go reach. You see, pre, you don't need no ceramic wrap. You don't need no file paper. You don't need none of them. Eh? Babes, bring the blood clot goat milk soap. Come give me that. Bring the goat milk soap. Me say, hey, sure. Oh no, I don't know if I make bleaching cream, my friend. You know, yeah, I say, I need a Shell Glow. I say a Shell Glow product. A Shell Glow, she Asian. And boy, mama sitting there. This is the goat milk soap for the people who don't like to be. Yeah?
Yeah. She works from home, so she makes it.
Wow, she a chemist. Eh? You see this soap? This soap, goat milk. Right now, it make your fucking face smooth like a baby bottom. All the time somebody box you, at first, it now go on. But wash your face with this. As them box you, you have to say, ow. You understand what I do? This is the goat milk. I don't know how they get if it be a soap, but this is a goat milk soap. And when time you put this up, smooth. Just like a silk. You see, bro? Yeah. And make sure so no buy. Crammers. You see why face it then now work good, eh? You is not a chemist. A chemist do them thing here. You is just a illiterate gigi foo laughy girl. When it mix up two cream together and it bleach out your skin and somebody asks you how it go and then you go mix it up back and start sell it. Tell them so say go, you don't build no cream for yourself. Yeah, Bumbuckler, my teaser was a cool. Oh, my penny. Eh? Eh? Hello? Goat milk. Me like goat milk too. Me used to drink it when me young. You see, bro? Bumbuckler. Love you, yeah, daddy. Yo, love you. I'm gone, dog. Me go hot up back my tea. So come back. Me love you like life.